So this is my first time here. My friend Angela at the Senior Center told me that they had this. You guys volunteered to help us figure out our things. And Delmar here was a big help, had a lot of patience with me, taught me a lot of things, how to retrieve things and set up new I don't know, apps, I guess you would say.
I just came to the app class and it was just wonderful. I suggest everyone that should come if they need help with their phone. My student's name was Tyson and he was so patient and kind and showed me all kinds of things to do with my phone that I didn't know. Thank you so much.
I appreciate having the opportunity to sit through this stuff because it's a smartphone and it's an elderly person. I'm gonna be 88 to 26.
You look amazing.
And so my memory isn't as sharp as it used to be. So every bit of reviewing, updating, that's fantastic, and I sincerely appreciate it. I appreciate the community doing this. You know, it isn't every day I get to do it, and also miss dinner. Thank you.